shot.
From slow.
I'm saying I can take him out,
Go Baron, go Baron.
Cloud9 smash Team Liquid.
Yeah.
Beat the team you're tied with, or be locked out of playoffs here and now.
Solo wants to go in and he's found the killing spree on demand as Contracts will be number 2.
Golden Guardians are now knocked out of playoffs.
Just over.
Drop the limbs despite this is going to be a madhouse as Dardock grabs the kill onto Acadian. Elder Drake taken very low, going to be secured by Arrow of all people.
I'm gonna make a dance into April of the face. Where's the tower? Where's the tower? Why is everyone just trolling, dude? Watch the three from best, guys.
Hey guys, I just want to say I appreciated playing with all of you guys this year. So I'll play the best that we can this game, and no matter what happens, let's just play our hearts out till the very end. Let's get it.
Get it.
Sounds like we're going to war. Thanks for trying your hardest, guys. I just wanted to say I appreciate every one of you.
Pops the ult immediately. Haunter going to try and combo it up. Does get the damage back down with the caster. Slow is good. Drinking a flash forward. First blood on the table and gifted over. Pops a watch just to buy a bit more time. Someday is running in. 1v4. It kills Sven. There's again Greg. He's going to try and find the steal this time. He's getting so much damage done. He just takes down Ander.
I got it. There's his healing ulti. There's his dead. He's done. Come on, help him. Help. Knocked him.